Hello there. Some of you are asking me, is there any new resort for short-term rental coming up in Orlando? Yes, there is. Remember Windsor Island, that resort that was so successful? Well, this one is now from the same company, and it is called WINDSOR Cay Resort. And it's about 10 minutes, give or take, from Windsor Island. And important, the sales will start now, December 1, 2022. So what I'm going to do is, if you want more information about it, I'm going to leave below on this video here in the description. There's going to be a link for the interest list. Okay, so let me just show you quickly the location where it is. It is 10 minutes above Windsor Island and about 10 miles from Disney. You can see Disney on the right and Windsor Cay here on the left. So without further ado, let me give you the information. Windsor Cay Resort.